History command is one of the simplest commands on Linux. In its most basic sense, it just shows you your command history. But there's a lot more to that. Fire up your terminal of choice. To view history, just type out history in your terminal and hit enter. It shows history. If you want to view the last few items, say the last 10 items, you can pipe history to the tail command. Type history, the pipe symbol, and then tail. By default, it shows the last 10 items. If you want a custom number, you can add the -n flag and specify a number. Like in this case, add -n space and then 20 to make it display the last 20 items. By the way, you wanna go through history one command at a time. You can use up and down arrow keys to go back and forth history. If you want to search through history, hold the control key and then press R. Now type out the command alphabet by alphabet until you get what you are looking for. Let's search cat to pull out all the commands with cat. Hit Ctrl plus R repeatedly to cycle through commands. As you can see, it is cycling through all the commands. Now let's try out another command. How about ls? Once you find the desired command, hit the enter key to run the command. Another thing you can do is run a command by issuing the exclamation mark followed by the command number you see on the left. Like here. Let's go with this command. I am dragging my cursor over. Type exclamation mark and then append 7837 to it and hit enter. Subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.